Meet the Honbike U4, your partner for an effortless journey. With maximum range of 100 kilometers on a single charge. All essential data on the integrated LCD display. Easy to control. Giving you a smooth, integrated riding experience. Innovative pressure die casting technology from the automotive industry. More reliable and durable wheels. Equipped with the SmartHON system that automatically adjusts and delivers power assistance based on the terrain. U4's unique design, no sharp edges, hidden cables. IPX6 water resistant. You can ride in the rain and wash your bike without fear of damage. The Gates carbon belt releases you from greasy maintenance of chains and gears. Easy to use, easy to live with. Welcome to Honbike.